Hello everyone, welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a lightning record page in Salesforce and customize record layouts. Are you looking to make your Salesforce interface more intuitive and tailored to your organization's unique needs? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we'll tackle the essential skill of creating a lightning record page in Salesforce, which is vital for optimizing your user experience. This process might sound a bit complex at first, but with a little guidance, you'll find that it's not only practical, but also straightforward. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped to customize your Salesforce environment like a pro. Let's dive in and transform your Salesforce experience step by step. To start off, head over to the upper right corner of your Salesforce interface. Here, you'll notice a gear icon. This is your gateway to a suite of powerful customization options. Click on this icon, and you'll see a menu appear. From this menu, select the option labeled Advanced Setup. This is where all the magic begins, as it opens up a world of customization features offered by Salesforce. Once inside the Advanced Setup, your next focus is on the Object Manager. Think of the Object Manager as a control center where you can manage different objects within Salesforce. These objects could be anything from accounts and contacts to other types of data objects. To quickly find it, use the search bar at the top. Once located, click on it to open. After accessing the Object Manager, it's time to decide on the specific object for which you'd like to create a lightning record page. This could be an account or a contact, or any other object that fits your current needs. Once you have the object view open, direct your attention to the left-hand panel. Here, you'll see an option for Lightning Record Pages. Click on this, and then select New to begin creating a fresh page. During the setup process, you'll be prompted to choose Record Page as your page type. This is an important step, so make sure to select it and click Next to move forward. Now, you'll need to give your new page a distinct label or name. This label is crucial for identifying your page later, so choose something memorable. Also, confirm that you have selected the correct object. Click Next again, and you'll find yourself at the stage where you need to choose a layout template for your page. Options like header and 2 columns can provide a neat and organized structure for your information. Once you've made your decision on the template, click Finish. Now comes the exciting part. Using the Lightning App Builder. This tool allows you to drag and drop various components to customize your page effortlessly. You can include elements such as tabs, related lists, record details, report charts, and even custom components to create a page that meets your needs perfectly. Experiment with different elements to see what works best for your users. When you're pleased with the layout, don't forget to save your work by clicking Save. However, there's one more crucial step, clicking Activate. This is essential because it lets you assign the page as the default for specific apps, record types, or profiles. Additionally, you need to decide which form factors, such as desktops or phones, will have access to this default page. Once you've made these decisions, click Save again to complete the process. And there you have it. You've successfully created a customized Lightning record page in Salesforce designed to suit your organizational needs perfectly. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you with how to create a Lightning record page in Salesforce and customize record layouts, subscribe to PMN Online for more easy-to-follow tutorials.